This is experiment 9 for the Inventors kit for Arduino. In this experiment, we're going to charge up a capacitor at a variable rate and then measure that charge and display it back as one of 4 levels. To do this, we need the capacitor itself. Be careful when putting this in as it's polarity sensitive, so it's important you get it the right way around. We'll need 2 switches for charging and discharging, the potentiometer for changing the rate of charge, 4 220 ohm resistors which each go into the 4 LEDs to show our 4 levels. The potentiometer changes the resistance of the input. This changes the current into the capacitor and therefore the time it takes to reach full charge. Button 1 starts the charge. The voltage from the capacitor is then read by an analog read in analog input pin 0. The LEDs light at 4 thresholds of voltage, allowing tracking of where the capacitor is up to. Finally, once the capacitor is full, as you can see here, button 2 will release the charge. Have a play around with the potentiometer to see how the rate of charge is affected.